Hi everyone, this is Kim from Vermont Grandview Farm. We are pumped and ready for the virtual Vermont Sheep and Wool Festival this weekend, and we hope you are just as excited as we are. We are so sorry that we are not able to see you in person this year and share some of our gorgeous Gotland lambs with you at the festival. Also, we are so sorry that you're not able to see Vermont's foliage this year. The past week, it has just exploded with color and is absolutely gorgeous. But we look forward to meeting with you again in person in 2021. I wanted to tell you a little bit about the weekend and what we'll be doing. This is where you will find us on the VermontSheepandWoolFest.com website. If you go to VermontSheepandWoolFest.com/VT Grandview Farm, this is where you will find us and find information about us. For the virtual festival, I have submitted several videos for you as a way for you to kind of get to know our farm and to learn a little bit about the breed of sheep that we raise. We raise Gotland sheep, and I've put together a video on discovering Gotland wool. And so I hope you'll watch that. It's a short video, but it will tell you all about the amazing wool that these sheep produce. Then I've also joined with my daughter Anna to put together a sort of a breed talk and discussion about Gotland sheep, and you will get to meet a couple of our Gotland ewes as well as a gorgeous Gotland ewe lamb from this year. So I hope you'll take time to watch those. If any of you are interested in starting your own sheep farm business, I even have submitted a little workshop tutorial on profitable shepherding. So be sure you look for those. You will actually find them on this page. If you scroll down a little bit, you'll find links to those right here. The other thing that I want you to know is I am hosting a virtual sale through my Instagram stories on Sunday. That's October 4th at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And you might be saying, oh, why should I go to the virtual sale through your Instagram stories on Sunday? And it's because I have some surprises for you, and you will not find out what those are unless you attend the virtual sale. We are working on a super special project here on our farm, and you will have a way to support us in that endeavor, but you have to come to the virtual sale to hear all about it. You will also have an opportunity to purchase some Yarn CSA shares through the virtual sale. They're not available right now in our store. You've got to come to the sale. And then the other thing that we will be doing during the sale is we will have a one-of-a-kind sale where I will be selling some of my Gotland wool handcrafted items, and these are one-of-a-kind items. And all of those will be featured at the virtual sale. I also wanted to show you that during the sale, if you come to our website, which is grandviewfarm.vt.com/farm-store, this is what it looks like. When you go to our farm website, you just need to click on the word store in the navigation bar, and this is what it opens up. Now, what I want to show you is that I have a special category right here just for the virtual sale. And if you attend the virtual sale on Sunday, everything in the virtual sale category has free shipping, but you have to come to the virtual sale to get the coupon code to allow yourself free shipping. So during my virtual sale through Instagram, I will be introducing some of these one-of-a-kind items and some products that are not currently in our online store, and we will be releasing them one at a time in the virtual sale category. So when you join us for the virtual sale, Be sure you have a laptop or computer next to you as well as your phone so that you can access our online store. I do have just a few things that I put in here just to give you an idea of some of the things that will be in the One of a Kind store, but they may not all be sitting here when you click on this, because some of these I'm not going to release to purchase until the virtual sale. But you can see I have some Gotland wool totes and purses, and some hand woven things. So it's going to be a lot of fun, and I hope you'll join us. That is going to be on Sunday, October 4th at 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. All you have to remember is 4 at 4, and you'll be set. All right, guys, enjoy the festival. Have a great time. Again, we look forward to seeing you in 2021. Or if you just can't manage to keep your hands off of my Gotland sheep, then come for a farm stay. We are taking farm stay guests, and we would love to host you and have you come and stay for a weekend. All right, have a great weekend. Bye.